Hello, I'm Bill Gates, chairman of Microsoft.
He was once the richest man in the world, and he started a company that changed the landscape of the software industry forever. But where did he start? What were his passions? And how did Bill Gates find his way to riches? This video is brought to you by ExplorerHop. ExplorerHop is a company dedicated to teaching financial literacy at a young age. We have a collection of online courses covering investing, public speaking, web design, and of course, entrepreneurship. Our Camp Millionaire program has inspired many kids around the world to start businesses and create change. To learn more and sign up for ExplorerHop programs, visit the link in the description below. From a young age, Bill Gates was competitive and had a drive for nothing less than excellence. He loved competing in games like Risk and Monopoly and even helped plan a family Olympics at his summer house. Bill inherited his competitive spirit from his mother, who was an athletic and outgoing student. Bill had a close relationship with his mom. She was a teacher who eventually took time to raise her children and take part in social initiatives. Fittingly, she was also a board member at IBM.
I read a lot. There were always contests at the library in the summer where, if you read 10 books, you got a little gold star. If you read 20, you got like 2. And there were like 5 or 6 girls and I that would always read like 35 books, and we'd see, who could do the most.
It's an understatement when we say that Bill Gates loves to read. And Bill doesn't just stick to reading novels. Growing up, he would often spend hours tearing through encyclopedias. Fearing that their child was becoming bored and a loner, Gates' parents sent him to a prep school where he excelled in nearly all subjects, but did exceptionally well in math and science. Bill Gates' first exposure to computers came when his school purchased a teletype terminal for student use. Gates fell in love and spent in-class free time working on the computer. Using the computer language BASIC, Gates managed to design his own tic-tac-toe program, which allowed users to compete against the computer. In prep school, Gates met his future Microsoft partner, Paul Allen. The two spent most of their time in the computer lab. They ran into trouble after taking advantage of software glitches to earn more computer time. They made up for their mischief after developing a program to monitor Seattle traffic patterns, which they sold for $20,000 at the age of 13. There was no doubt that Gates had an entrepreneurial spirit from a young age, and he wanted to start his own business. Gates graduated from Lakeside scoring 1590 out of 1600 on his SATs. With this genius level of intellect, one would assume that Bill would progress to get a PhD in computer science, but he did not. Bill earned acceptance into the prestigious Harvard University, intending to pursue a career in law. Much to his parents' dismay, Bill dropped out of Harvard in his sophomore year and contacted his old friend Paul Allen, who also dropped out of university. The two came together, started their own business, and pursued their passion for computers. And the rest is history.
Is it true that you can leap over a chair from a standing position?
It depends on the size of the chair. I'll cheat a little bit.
Yes!